right, so you walk in. Here's the kitchen. I have my suitcases right there. There's the window. I don't know if you can see, but this right here is the Chrysler building. You can see that from here, which is really sweet. And then we have the fridge, oven, sink. Beautiful, love it. Cool, cool. Once you turn around, we've got my bedroom, which is like, it's like 9 by 7. It's so small, but whatever. New York is New York. I'm setting up a clothing rack right now, but basically, here is my bedroom. And when you walk out, back into the hallway, and then this is the nice room. This is my roommate's room. Right here. Got a little fire escape right there. In the closet. Don't have a closet, so that's really fun. Oh yeah, and then here's the bathroom, which is actually really nice for a New York bathroom. And then you have this, I look like absolute shark. But, and I'm exhausted, so if I seem depressed, that's why. You have this little medicine cabinet, which is super nice because honestly, you can take all the storage that you can get. And then we'll probably put some stuff on this shelf right here. And then a really nice renovative shower. Has this like bougie modern shower head, and then granite. Cute, love it, awesome. Anyways, that's the apartment. Probably, I'm gonna film clips, but I probably won't talk in a lot of them like I am right now because moving is a pain. It's just an exhausting process. I'm hot, my dad's hot, he doesn't want to move. It's like a whole thing. It's a little bit of a tiring situation, so I probably won't be vlogging like this, but it'll just be time lapses for most of the day. And then I'll update you later when things start coming. I have a couple Amazon packages coming today, so that'll be really good. And my mattress is coming tomorrow. That's being delivered. I have an AC unit being installed tomorrow, which is good. Wi-Fi is coming tomorrow. So I'm not sleeping here tonight. I'm kind of just doing like the bare minimum, like setting this up right now. But tomorrow the ball will get rolling because, you know, everything's coming. Like I literally don't have a bed right now. So anyways, I'm just gonna set this up and I will speak to you when I'm not sweaty and bothered. Thank you. I'm in love. Oh yeah, oh yes, 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 oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2 of moving. I haven't really talked to the camera at all today, just because if I'm being honest, today has been, moving sucks. Like we know this, like this is known information. My dad and I were kind of beefing today. I did almost start crying multiple times, which is really fun. I have some updates for you. Yesterday we got an AC unit. As you can see right here, somebody's coming to install that at 4 p.m. today. Set up my clothing rack. Looks phenomenal. I'm so happy with it. It's from Wayfair. It has shelves as well, which is really nice. And then my bed was delivered, which I'm so excited about. I felt so bad for the delivery guys because I live on the 6th floor and they probably wanted to kill me, but that's okay. So anyways, that's how today is going. A lot of big updates today. I'm excited for the AC to be installed. That'll be good. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a couple things coming throughout the week, like decor stuff. Definitely want to get some plants. All of our living room furniture is in the lobby of the building, but it's so heavy, my dad and I can't carry it. So my roommate, when she moves in a couple days, she'll be moving it up. Show you guys some of that too. And yeah, that's basically it. I feel like nothing has progressed at all. Like, it's just been moving chaos, but finally I have a bed and I'm like, okay, things are like actually happening now. Like, I'm not just standing in an empty room trying to assemble a clothing rack. So, okay, let's do some work now. Happy day 3 of moving. Today is kind of an uneventful day. Nothing really too exciting is happening today. Most of my big furniture was already delivered, like my bed was delivered, my clothing rack was delivered. I got this matcha. Pretty good. $7 matcha. I have like a couple things from Amazon coming today. My rug was supposed to come today. Don't think it is, but if it does, I'll definitely show you. My duvet and my pillows are supposed to come today. Once again, I will unbox those, but I did want to show you today, before we got here at around 2, but before we got here, we got these plants. Because, you know, nothing says New York apartment like a little foliage. Anyways, I got this Hartley philodendron. I got a Good and Fresh pothos. This is about the only plant that I can keep alive, so that's why I got one. There's my dad. Hey, Dad.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, and then last thing, before I keep moving, I want to show you these benches that my roommate got. Super cute. They're like these. It actually looks like my couch in my old apartment. Like, I'm pretty sure it's the exact same material of the couch in my old apartment, which is funny. But we have these 2 benches right here in a corner. It's gonna be like a little banquette. And then we have a round table that's gonna go right here. My room, which as you can see, is a mess. Today I'm hoping I'll just kind of get all this organized. I got these underbed storage cubes today from Amazon. So all of my like winter out of season stuff I'm gonna put under my bed. And then of course, this right here, there's my Chinese evergreen. And yeah, we're just kind of organizing. But for right now, I'm gonna put away these groceries. So time-lapse time starts now. Ella's vlog debut. So this is actually my girlfriend. Hello everyone. It has been a while since we last spoke. I feel like I always say that, but it has been a while. All these clips are from maybe 2 weeks ago, and I'm fully moved in now. I was editing this video, and I realized I kind of just like stopped the clips. I kind of just stopped filming stuff when my roommate moved in, as you could see. Her whole family was there. It was a family of 5. It was just very hectic, and also like I didn't want to shove a camera in their faces, so I didn't film that. But I wanted to give you just like a quick rundown of everything that has been changed since the last time you saw the apartment, because we've gotten a lot of stuff, a lot of furniture. I mean, literally we've lived here for like almost a month now, so we're pretty much fully moved in. I haven't cleaned anything, so it's a little bit dirty, but you know, it's realistic. So anyways, let's get started. So one new addition is this right here, which also it's literally so dirty right there, but is this right here. We desperately need storage, as one does in New York. So we got these IKEA shoe cubbies. Here's mine, and then there's my roommate's, and those are super helpful. The biggest change is this little area right here. So I showed you guys these 2 ottomans right here, but what I didn't show you is this round table. And then I don't know if I think we had the rug down. Not sure. And then we also have these green chairs, which are super fun. And then when Ella moved in, she brought all of this. So these 3 shelves are hers, and she got this light, which looks amazing. And then we have her prints right here. And yeah, we're still kind of like adding stuff to the shelf, but so far this is what it looks like. It's just so exciting to me because I feel like, I mean, I'm young still, but like every apartment I've had has just not been furnished very well. Like in my last apartment, I didn't have a table. Like pretty much all I had was like a couch and a rug. So like just to have somewhere to sit is so nice. And then this is also kind of dirty, but we have this right here, which is just like a little console, I guess. Just where we can keep like silverware, plates, stuff like that, because as you can see, there's literally no kitchen space at all. Plants are doing well. And also we got this TV, and it rotates on this mount right here, which is really nice. And we watch New Girl on this, and it's really fun and amazing. All right, and then for the updates in my room, I mean, literally everything has changed. Like a week or 2 ago, I got this blue duvet cover, linen duvet cover. It's from West Elm. I'm obsessed with it. I had that white one, but it was old, it was gross, it was stained, so I kind of wanted to invest in one that would last me a long time. So that's this. And then this butterfly blanket is very popular, especially in Urban Outfitters. If you've seen it, it's from Calhoun & Co. And then this bedside table came about a week ago. It's from Wayfair. This was like the last item of furniture to come, but it's basically just like a tin night table. And I assembled it all by myself. It did take me at least 2 hours, and I was about to spiral into panic, but at least I did it. And that's really all that matters. Oh yeah, and then my clothing rack, which you guys saw. So anyways, that's kind of everything that's changed with me. So, you know, it's not fully done yet, but it definitely is like 90% done and looks worlds different from when I showed you like 3 weeks ago. So anyways, that's how I wanted to end out this vlog. Excited to just do like regular New York vlogs, just like a day in my life. I'm putting you right here. I liked vlogging in Atlanta, but also like there really just wasn't, Atlanta and New York are so different, obviously. Like there just wasn't that much to do in Atlanta, and there's just so much to do here that like I actually want to vlog because it's just so fun and it's such a pretty city. So anyways, I'm very excited for that. I'll see you in my next video, which will be a New York vlog. And in the meantime, love you. Follow my TikTok, follow my Instagram, and live, laugh, love. That's all I got. Bye.